Welcome to the unboxing and setup of Grafterr Dual, our dual-screen POS device designed for efficient transactions and seamless operations. Your dual-screen POS will arrive in a secondary box. Inside, you'll find the POS device unit, cash drawer, card terminal, and thermal printer. Please note that the included items may vary depending on your purchase package. The cash drawer will have a LAN cable, which will be connected to the printer later, and a drawer key for manual access. The card terminal package includes the card terminal unit along with a charging cable. The thermal printer arrives with a power adapter, power cable, paper roll, bar to hold the paper roll, and a USB cable. The POS device unit includes the main device along with its power cable. To set up the system, the LAN cable must be connected between the printer and cash drawer. The LAN port is located on the back of the printer and the bottom of the cash drawer, as shown in the video. Next, connect the power cables and adapter to both the POS device and printer. If using a wired connection, plug the USB cable into the POS device. Alternatively, you can connect the printer via Bluetooth. Once the setup is complete, turn on the POS device. The app is pre-configured, and upon startup, it will prompt you to enable necessary permissions and sign in. Your Grafterr Dual POS is now fully set up and ready to start transacting. Thank you for watching.